In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to delete a Wolt account. Whether you've decided to take a break or just no longer need the service, removing your account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open the Wolt app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, locate the profile section. This is typically found at the bottom of the screen and might be represented by an icon or simply the word profile. After navigating to your profile, the next step is to tap on account settings. This section houses various options related to your account preferences and information. Scrolling through these options, you'll need to find the delete account option. It might be located towards the bottom, so ensure you scroll all the way down to see it. Once you've found the delete account option, tap on it. At this point, Wolt will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. This step is often included by apps to gather feedback and improve their services. Select the reason that best applies to you from the list provided. After selecting your reason, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that users don't accidentally delete their accounts without intending to. Confirm your action by following the prompts on the screen. Once you've confirmed, the process is complete and your Wolt account will be permanently removed. Keep in mind that once deleted, you might lose access to any saved information or past orders associated with that account. So make sure you have everything you need before proceeding. And that's it. That's how to delete a Wolt account. Hopefully, this guide made the process clear and simple for you. If you ever decide to return to Wolt, you'll need to create a new account, as this action is irreversible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you with your Wolt account management.